was a great deal of satisfaction. We praise God for the opportunity that we got to start a professional institution, the first professional institution, which will be affiliated to the Captain Williamson Summer State University. Because as of now, we have 15 humanities departments, and which is functional. We have finished one semester, and this is the first professional institution that we are going to have. And it was a big process. The fact that the state university was started in the Garo Hills is to cater to the needs of the local community so that the students here benefit and that they don't leave the Garo Hills to go elsewhere for their higher education. And having this professional institution, definitely, once again, I think it is a boost to the university itself when it is affiliated to us. It's a constituent college of the university, and it's a professional institution. So we are going to have programs that would benefit our students and keep them here and not allow them to migrate elsewhere for opportunities, because we are going to give them the opportunities what they find elsewhere here itself in the Garo. I think the students and the parents especially should know that here in the Garo Hills and at the State University, we offer the best. We have the humanities departments right now, and we are in the process of starting science programs and also value-added programs. Apart from regular PG courses, we have 11 affiliated colleges. So these undergraduate colleges also are like a feeder college to the university. So once they finish their programs, they can come here for higher education. So let them come to the university and visit the university, see what we offer here before deciding to go elsewhere, because we are offering what they want.
The college is well prepared. We have applied from the All India Council of Technical Education, AICTE, and yesterday only we have received the letter of approval from the AICTE. So college is already prepared to start this program. So we were waiting only the approval from the AICTE. Since we have got the AICTE approval, so very soon we'll be advertising for admission to the program urban planning. We have already advertised for the post of urban planning as well as for architecture faculties mainly. So the expertise of the faculties will be as per the AICTE norms as well as Council of Architecture COA norms. We will strictly follow as per the two regulatory bodies norms. As far as infrastructure is concerned, the building is already there, infrastructure is already there. So to some extent, we have already met the requirements of AICT and COA, there's two statutory bodies. There's both architecture as well as urban planning curriculum have been prepared with due consideration of the geographical location of our region, because it falls under high seismic area, zone 5. So we have to, the curriculum should meet or incorporate this geographical location. Students will have this internship program. So not only here in Meghalaya, they can go outside the state and they can do entrepreneurship program. The nearest maybe say Guwahati, or they might go to Kolkata. Any metropolitan cities they can go and do their internship.